Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This has a blue exterior and a black interior. Panoramic sunroof. Formatic, Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging. Power open and close trunk. Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. Driver seat controls there. Door controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. This car has 19,001 for mileage. It does have a push button ignition. Navigation system, radio, and a backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any others, see our website at feldmannimports.com.